What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Hot Boy Step, back with another video. Back to my channel. Um, Man, today we just gonna look at some charts, seeing amongst how we gonna trade in 2021. You know what I'm saying? So it's like if we looking at the charts, what mostly are we doing? Buying or are we selling? So let's just look at some monthly charts, or like even further into like how we should be looking at the trends amongst our favorite, pairs to trade. So let's just dive right into it, man. Let's see. Right now I got a 4 hour chart amongst my own analysis. You know what I'm saying? So we just gonna dip out of this one, and we gonna get into like a deeper side of where the trend is going. Like, let's see. This is a weekly candle chart. So let's take away the Fibonacci for a minute, and we just see we got a green candle for the first one. You know what I'm saying? For the latest one. So that means for gold for this week, we've been mostly bullish. You know what I'm saying? Mostly bullish going up. So it's like we going up. This last green candle from when it started and where it ended, mostly what it's been doing is going up. You know what I'm saying? This whole week. So it's like if we dive into the month has been going down. So it's like what you really gonna follow? You know what I'm saying? When you really trading on forex, it's like what direction are you going? You know what I'm saying? Some people look into the 15-minute chart or 5-minute chart. They dive deeper into it. But you know what I'm saying? Some people like to hold their trades. Like if you was looking at the monthly chart, you would have been looking at the first beginning. It then went up a little bit. Like this where it started. Started at 1849. We on gold. 1849 went up to 1873. 50 to 70, and then it went down to about 1810ish. But it stopped at 1810ish. No, it went down all the way to 17. You know what I'm saying? You could catch all this. You know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying? Say you started here and you just held it, and then seen the downhill for your decision to take that out. Boom. Get that money. It's so crazy. It's so crazy to see like all this direction. Like it moves so crazy. Like look at all these candles. These some wild candles. Man, please. Like this is really a candle you want to get in on. Like you seen a previous green candle, so you just want to ride the next green candle. You got a little bit of drawdown and catch all this going up and end at the end of the month. Like if you just hold a good trade for the month with enough risk in your account to catch all of this, yeah. So if you see a red candle, in my strategy, if I see a red candle for, you know what I'm saying, I like to follow the trend. So I'm trying to wait a month and then catch the next one like that. Like this ended up in a reversal candle right here. You know what I'm saying? It's a reversal candle. If it got more wick than body, it's definitely a reversal candle. So it's like you gotta look for the opposite direction. You can't ride up no more. You wanna ride all this up. It could have been crazy during this whole month. Like, man, please. Like, I'm really a swing trader. I like to hold my trades. I don't like to look at them. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, I just like to ride the wave, and then I catch it. If it's a good candle, I exit like that, and I wait a month. Man, please. Just like you gotta look at the technical analysis. Like I got all my candles, all my setups in Bollinger Band. So it's like I might be riding the Bollinger Band. If it's in the middle, it might be a bad time to trade, unless it's like the opposite of the trend. You know what I'm saying? It's reversing. You know what I'm saying? So you could have caught all this coming down. You know what I'm saying? I had trend lines here. Some people might want to trade off this trend line if they trading it coming down. I might have traded off of this, you know. Every day is a new day. Like, I'm not remembering like every single trade, but you know what I'm saying? I trade. You feel me? And these are month candles. So it's like, if you talking about right now, I would be probably, when I look at the outer spectrum of where I start my trading, it would be selling. I would definitely be selling. Look, I'm following the trend. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, I got all these trend lines here from when the times I was trading gold. Like I might move to another pair if it's like immediately reversing. Like, I want to see what it's gonna do. Like, I probably done caught a lot of this coming down. Like I trade a lot of different stuff. Like, look at this list. Like, this pretty much everything I trade. Like, comment down below if you trade any of these right here. These are stocks and forex pairs. So if you see something familiar, let me know. You know what I'm saying? We looking at gold right now. It's going down. So another pair I like to trade is USD Mexican. Okay. If we expand this, we got a red candle here. We got it coming down right now. It might have been gumming up for a long time, but look, the previous candle is green. So if I want to buy this, if I want, like, look, this thing came all the way down. Like, it's so crazy. Like, man, these markets is crazy. Man, you're going to see some crazy looking candles when you really look on the outside coming in. We talking about the future, so we got to, like, back up and see where it's going to go. You know what I'm saying? So if we really want to buy this, we will wait. We really would wait until this candle turns green. You know what I'm saying? Unless you do some real good technical analysis, and you know what I'm saying, like I did right here, like these trend candles in the middle right here, this right here, somebody could have bought off of this. You know what I'm saying? I don't have no trades in right now. I might have trade, you know what I'm saying, at any time, you know what I'm saying, to trade off of this angle right here. Trade off of this angle, and then you would have been up here by now. If you would have stopped right here, if you would have hit a buy right here at 89 or 90, you would have been at 46 right now. 19, so basically 20, that's like 400 pips. Man, 400 pips, man. And this for the whole month if you would have held that trade. But you never know. You never know, you know what I'm saying? I like to follow the trend, so I wouldn't be in a trade like that. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of risky trades out there. So it's like, if I wanted to follow the last candle and buy on this, I would wait for this current month candle to turn green and then start that up wave. You know what I'm saying? So when people look at these candles, it's going to be green, and then people going to buy in on the wave like that. You want to follow the wave. So, man, please. Another pair we could look at, AUD USD. AUD USD been bullish, you know what I'm saying? It's been going up. It's been going up like crazy. Like these are my lines, my key level lines I was trading on before. Like, look at this, man. I might have got in on this at one point. I look at this trade. Whew. Man, please. There's a lot of pips. If you look at the outside coming in, like, you could have caught from down here all the way up. If you like to hold trades for a long time, like, I like indicators like this to tell me the pivot points. Like, if you was to hold a trade from right here, based on this indicator, you could have and got out right now. You would have got out right now. But definitely like look into holding your trades for a long time, and that's really who prospers in forex, the ones who hold their trades. Like not for this long, but just this video is just to, how we gonna start trading in 2021. Like if you see a trend like this from March of last year to this year, it's like a whole year right here. Like you're gonna be thinking to yourself, if you really should have looked on the outside in, you should have been buying more often. Like that. Simple as that. Like if you would have held your trades more often, boom, boom. Like except for this, you could have win off a lot of this. Like, but still, like look on the outside looking in. Um, let's see. Mm. Look like the same chart I just pulled over, but this is the S&P 500 right here for the monthly chart. Yeah, it's a lot of bullish activity going on. You know what I'm saying? So just I just want this video to basically keep an open mind on the outside charts for the year to come up. You know what I'm saying? So you really want to dive into what the trend really was before you dive in. Look, start from the outside looking at monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, you know what I'm saying? Or 6 hour, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to be bound to certain time frames that they give you. Like you can customize a lot of these time frames, but you know what I'm saying? If you love to trade Forex and you're trying to get money in these markets, man, hit me up in the comments below. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what your thoughts are on the pairs I just went over. USD Mexican, gold, AUD USD, and S&P 500, man. So, it's your boy Hot Boy Step, and I'm out, man.